Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to a press release, Jeopardy! Episodes hosted by Trebek will air through December 25, 2020. The release also shared that his last day in the studio was October 29, 2020, which means he worked until only 10 days before his death.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
In the TMZ interview from 2018, Trebek also mentioned Coates as a possible replacement. A CNN senior legal analyst and SiriusXM host, Coates tweeted Sunday she was profoundly saddened by Trebek's death. My bookie gives her the fourth best odds at +450, while BetOnline has her with +1800 odds along with Faust.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
$10 million a year. Alex Trebek has been the host of the Jeopardy! Game show for 35 years. Trebek began his career at CBC and NBC before working for the Game Show Network. Trebek holds the record for most episodes of a game show hosted, and currently reportedly earns a salary of $10 million a year.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Game show host dies with cancer aged 80. Alex Trebek, the longtime host of American television quiz show Jeopardy! Has died at the age of 80. Mr. Trebek announced he had been diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer in March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.